Best electric bike. It's official. Electric bikes are here to stay and their popularity is through the roof. From some of the normal constraints like weight and gear, e-bike design has exploded. If you can imagine it, someone has built it. The beauty of e-bikes is what they make the enjoy of cycling accessible to so many people in so many ways. See at a glance reviews of our 5 top-rated bikes that are in stock right now. Number 1. EcoTric Electric Mountain E-Bike. Change your sports way. Say goodbye to the excuse of no time to exercise. Travel is sport. With this bike, say goodbye to the reason of no sports place. It can speed up to 32 km per hour. Its pure electric power mileage is over 90 miles. Outage braking system and medical braking system work along both lines, provide security for your trip. Strong 500-watt brushless rear motor provide powerful power to a bicycle, allowing it to reach speed up to 23 mph. Number 2. Swagtron EB11 Electric Cruise Bicycle. Unwind on breezy adventure with the wind in your hair and the EB11 electric cruiser bicycle on your side. Beyond its stylish design, they made sure to build it for superior longevity because you will want to ride the EB11 day in and out. They have used super tough steel for the frame and front fork to maximize durability, quality, comfort, and control. Design enhancements includes premium steel components and a deep swept black handlebar for relaxed posture. Number 3. Electric Fat Tire Electric Bicycle Mountain Bike. Electric bicycles set speed limit according to United States federal regulations. Maximum speed is power mode is programmable and can be adapted to the local regulations of any country. Full charge ride ensures 30 to 54 km. The removable lithium battery, 36V by 13Ah removable lithium battery, so you can bring the battery to your home or office to recharge. They have paid great attention to every details of each component: ergonomic handbar, adjustable seat, and anti-slip wear resistance tire. Number 4. Speed Rate Electric Bike Fat Tire Electric Bike. The newest Speed Rate 26 inches big wheel fat tire electric bike packs all you need to ensure your top performance while out riding hills and trails. With the perfect combination of professional 7-speed gearing and 500-watt 5 levels pedal assistance as well as throttle accelerating to speed of 23 mph will be no issue at all. While it's both high-strength shock-absorbing forks and 4.0 tire will be absorbed by any bumps on the way down the trail. Number 5. Mac Wheel 500 Electric Bike. Cycling is easy with a Mac Wheel electric mountain bike. Its smart pedal assistance system makes light work and long journey and steep hills. Mounted on the rear wheel, a powerful 500-watt motor kicks in and paddling becomes easy. The motor is perfect for making light work of steep hills and long journey, allowing you to relax and enjoy the view. Commuters and weekend riders enjoy the benefits of cycling without a fear of exhaustion or tiredness. With its striking design, the Mac Wheel is one of the best looking e-bike on the market. To buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.